Hi friends, FirearmPop here, and I just thought I'd do this quick vid. It's May 21st at a couple of seconds here till 6 o'clock, the magic hour that the prediction of Mr. Howard Camping is going to take place, and I guess we'll see. If this video goes blank, then I've been called up yonder. Okay, so it's getting close. Let me do a countdown here. I'm looking at my clock. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, bye-bye world, 2, 1. Well, I guess I'm still here. So's the rest of the world. Sorry about that, Harold Camping. Wrong again. The Bible says no man will know the hour or the time, and including Jesus and the angels. So nice try. Didn't believe it. Just thought I'd have fun with it. This is FirearmPop. You guys be safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.